Northwest Bakersfield baseball team opened up the semifinals of the Babe Ruth World Series against the top-ranked host team from Bismarck, North Dakota today. Bakersfield would get out on top first with a 2-0 lead, and although a tough battle, Bakersfield would fall 4-3 the final, ending their run in the series. Andrew Sherrill received Player of the Game honors, going 2 for 3 at the plate with an RBI and triple. From the mound, Caleb Hay pitched a complete game, striking out 5 and only allowing 1 earned run. Sherrill, along with Michael Baker, finished the tournament with a .500 batting average. We just want to say congrats to the team for representing Bakersfield so well.